Alright, so what do we have here? Just received a package from Lazada. Let's see if it's what I had been waiting for. Hopefully it is. Let's just get rid of this plastic. And it is, man. It is. We have the chest harness. A universal phone clip holder. Guess it comes with a set. Not gonna be using that all that much. The camera case. I'll be putting the SJ camera in. And then the SJ camera box set. They've included the 64GB memory card that I have also ordered to go with the set. There's the camera, memory card, some free stickers, a couple of free stickers from the vendor, action camera at iba pa, then we have the action camera itself with the modified lens. Here's the stock lens of the SJ camera, and they've already installed the GoPro wide lens. It's supposed to be the wide lens. The GoPro camera in its waterproof case. How do you open this? It's been a while since I've had this one. Not that. Hindi naman ganito. There you go. GoPro camera. There's the battery inside already. Let's remove the plastic on the screen. The SJCam 4000 Air or Wi-Fi. And here you see the, I don't know if it's visible, but here you see the external microphone jack that they had installed on the unit. So GoPro wide lens, external microphone jack for this modified SJCam 4000 SJ4000 Air. So let's see if it works. There it is. Not turning on. One, two, three. So how do you turn it on, man? Gonna have to consult the instruction. It's been a while since I've had an SJCam, so and reverse. One, two, three, four, five. Well, anyway, here's the camera. I'll just consult the instruction booklet on how to turn on the thing. Here's the external microphone. That comes with the camera with the order. the cable, power cable for the charger. I think here's the charger. 1, 2, 3 extra batteries. And some mounts. Mounting accessories. And of course, the frame for mounting the how do you do this? There you go. For mounting the SJ cam. There must be a method on how to put this in. I'll figure it out. For mounting the SJ cam, there's the hole for the microphone jack. I'll use this when I'll use this for when I do motovlogs and I want to use the microphone to talk on the fly. I don't do that often. As you can see here, during this time, not really good at speaking on the fly, but there are times when I want to do that, so that's where the external microphone will come in handy. I'll use this for that purpose, and then any other time I'll just put the camera inside the waterproof case, just for protection, particularly just in case it starts to rain and so on. With the 3 batteries plus the stock one, I definitely have more than enough battery or power to charge up to power the camera. So assuming say 90 minutes each, 1.5 hours, 90 minutes each, so that's 6 hours total that's available to me. It's more than enough, since say when I go to the office, I can always charge up the battery when I go to the office, when I get to the office. I'll still use my old body camera, the one that I'm currently using now, the Bob Love body camera. I'll still be using that for the most part, and then when I feel like doing a motovlog, particularly on the fly and so on, that's when I'll use the SJ camera. So yeah, next time I'll test out the SJ camera and see how it performs. But for now, that's it. Thankfully, this time around, the order went through and I got my new cameraman. So yeah, so that's it for now. Until next time, ride safe, man. Ride safe.